These you can drink on parties, special occasions,
and the mom drink. Okay, so Gabriel showed you the categories, and we're going to go through and kind of break this down a little bit for everybody. 3,500 calories equals 1 pound of fat. That means when you drink full sugar Sprite or full sugar eggnog, you are racking up those calories really fast, my friend. And the thing about calories, store, okay? They store like this. And with women, the first place they stay is right here. It's the belly fat, okay? And nobody likes that. I used to have 63 extra of these. And it was Gabriel, actually, that when he was 3, and I collapsed in front of him when I was carrying blankets through this very front room, and he looked at me and I peeled myself up off the floor and I met your eyes. He was scared. His mom could not take care of him, and it was that moment 5 years ago that I chose to get healthy and chose to lose weight and figure out successfully kept off those 63 pounds for 5 years now. And it's by doing stuff like this. Okay, so let me just give you these tangible ideas so that you can lose this kind of stuff and keep it off and never have it. Gabriel and Michael's favorite favorite juice boxes. As you can see, these actually only have 8 grams of sugar, which for juice boxes, see right there, that's pretty good for juice boxes. And you can also tell they are, it says right here, they're only 35 calories per box. Okay, let me know if you've seen these before. Drop me one of those like smiley face emojis down below if you've seen these, or if now you're like, woohoo, those look like a great idea. I might use those for my kid. They actually mix really well. Okay, yes, he's like, yay. If you think about it, kids love things for fun. Well, so do adults, right? Which is how come we like our mixed drinks. Well, guess what? This is a very, very low sugar and very yummy mixed drink, if you will, for kids. That is super fun to do at a party, so we can blend these up. That takes us into, this is like a homemade version of these. Hopefully you've seen. They're flavored, they're sparkly, they're fun. You can put them in a fun glass. You can put them in a wine glass, you know, whatever you want to be fun. But look at this. Nothing that's going to spike your blood sugar, nothing that's going to, any kind of drinks that these are, that we have here, will not throw your macronutrients out of balance, okay? And it's really important to keep your macronutrients balanced, see the same size, to keep your blood sugar balanced, which, so here's why you care about this. Here's why I care about this. Actually, this is why I teach my kids this. Because it keeps your fat storage factory in your body turned off. Okay, off. That means that's how come I don't gain back the 62 pounds. That's how come my kids keep a healthy weight without even trying, because we do stuff like this. So I hope this is encouraging to you. A wonderful version. This is non-dairy. So for those of you that are vegan, have non-dairy sensitivities, you want something like this. There's a soy version. This is an almond milk version. There's only 70 calories. So here's the thing, just to be thoughtful of, okay, 70 as you can see, of course. Look at the portion size, right? And look at the carbohydrate grams. You can see there's 14, okay? And there's 1 protein. So is that balanced, Gabriel?
no.
No, so that means be thoughtful of drinking your calories, and you can drink macronutrients. Isn't that crazy? Be careful when you drink. That's why I want to show you some very low sugar options. This is one of the healthiest eggnogs I could find. So yes, you can have things in moderation. Yes, we are about substitution. This is my chocolate vodka drink. Please let me know if I am, what kind of alcoholic beverage do you like? Please put it down in the conversation below. There's no shame, no guilt. I'm all about moderation for kids so that they learn healthy habits. Now they see their parents doing it. So here's what we have. This is one of the skinniest drinks, alcoholic beverages you can have is vodka, if you look it up. Okay, it goes under keto, it goes under, you know, low carb, exactly how I made it for all the women. Okay, see this cool little cup right here? You fill it about 2/3 the way with ice. I'm not gonna pour this now because I'm not gonna drink it, but to get the idea. You pour this in, and you fill it up about halfway. I feel like it's nice and strong. That's me, okay? So about halfway with the Vicalcum, it makes it very skinny, okay? Can you see this? I love to show you things. See, this is an unsweetened vanilla. This is a non-dairy milk. It's a plant-based milk. We like almond in our house. There's pea milk, there's cashew milk, there's coconut milk. Whatever plant-based milk you like. The point is it's like 0 sugar, 0 carbs. Oh, excuse me, 1 carb, 1 protein. Hey, that's actually balanced. 30 calories, this is like nothing, okay? So that's how come I use this for a whole cup, which is a big portion size when it comes to milk, so be thoughtful of your portion sizes. Anyways, I pour this in to the cup, okay, almost to the top. And then, this is the kicker right here. So simple, but it makes a big difference. Liquid stevia, okay? Wonderful option. All that to say, put a squirt in here and stir it up with a little straw. Super good, okay? Healthier version, meaning low sugar, low calorie, low macronutrient carbohydrate. Okay, so you see on the back. That still tastes good, right? We're not gonna have something that tastes yucky, like what's the point? Okay, but when they taste really yummy and your kids like them and you can serve them at parties, this right here, this whole piece of living a macronutrient mom kind of lifestyle, this can change the course of your health. And I am not trying to be dramatic, this is absolutely true. This is a huge piece of how come I've been able to keep off the weight for 5 years now.